This is a very fast tutorial of how to take apart the rack and pinion of Hyundai Accent 2001 apart. Okay. Usually you have the inner tie rods, they are out on both sides. You can start taking this side. On this side, first thing that you gotta do is you gotta remove this spring that is inside that groove. Okay. They're gonna go all the way. They're gonna go all the way around. And the only thing that maybe you could see is this little piece hanging out right there. Okay, you take this one out. After you take that one out, you leave it like that. Remove this nut from the bottom. And just in case everything over here is already loose, okay, you have a nut over here too. Take it out. And then you can remove this one too. I make a mark, that way I know how to put it back exactly what it was right there, just in case I didn't know how much how many threads I have to go in. I mark it there and nothing is moving, you see. Okay, you have that piece out. Over here you're going to have two screws, one here and the other one is over here. Take those two out, and then you can pull this piece out. Take out this spring. You can remove this piece back slowly. Pull it back. First of all, you gotta remove this up. Okay. Sometimes you gotta give some pull. Let's see if I have to remove this here. Let me see if I didn't left anything in there. No, everything is out. Everything is out. Now one pull a little bit harder and everything is out. Okay. And then inside you're gonna have this seal all the way back there. Oh, it's up to about here. So from this side, you have to kick it. I use a little piece of metal and I keep hitting it a little bit harder. That way everything that the seal will come out. And that's it. To put it back is easy. Okay. Just remember to put the seal that goes here and all the seals that you see here. You have one more here, this one, and this one. And that's it. And you have a 2001 up to 95 to 2005 rack and pinion of a Hyundai Accent.